Hi boys and girls, good morning. So today is March 18, Wednesday, and what we're going to do today, we're going to do skills, and I'm going to introduce to you the two letters that make one sound, and the sound is ch. As you can see behind me, here's the ch sound. We're going to practice writing the ch sound, and I'm going to explain to you how two letters can make one sound, okay? So it's the C and the H. First thing is first, we're gonna do and introduce the sound ch, okay? So what I have over here is I have a couple words that I wrote on the board that can show you with the beginning with the ch sound. So the first word is pig. So I'm gonna say the word, all these words, and if you hear the ch sound, you have to raise your hand. So let's get started. You raise your hand at home, okay? Because you guys are home doing this, okay? So the first word is pig. The next word is cheek. Then sun, chase, chair, bottle, chant, red, chops, and boat. Okay, let's go over these. So we're gonna go over each one. So every time we hear the ch sound, you're going to raise your hand. I want you guys to see this. Closer, okay? So the first one we said was pig, right? When we say the word pig, we did not hear the ch sound. So that one is an X. So I'm gonna say this in Spanish. Estoy diciendo palabras y cada vez que digo la palabra, si yo escucho el sonido ch, tengo que poner circle, un círculo, okay? The next word is cheek. When we say the word cheek, we see the CH also, but we also heard it. So the word cheek has a ch sound. The next word, sun. When we said the word sun, we did not hear the ch sound, so that's going to be an X. Then we said chase. There's the CH, and then we heard the ch sound. Circle. Then chair. We hear the ch. There it is. Circle. Bottle. Nope. Chant. There it is. The ch sound. Circle. Red. No. Chops. Yes. It's right here. And the last one, boat. There's no ch sound in there, so that is an X. Oh, okay. So these are examples of words beginning with the ch sound. There's also words, boys and girls, that end in the ch sound, which I have over here. Let me show you. So over here, I did a chart of words beginning with the ch sound. For example, chest, chips, chair, and chops. Then over here, I have words ending in the ch sound, like lunch, and then such, rich, and much, okay? These are all words beginning and ending in the ch sound, okay? Take a look at those, beginning and ending with the ch sound. We're going to be working on this for 2 days, so we're just only right now looking at words beginning and ending with the ch sound, okay? Let's sit back down. Now, when we hear the word ch, we know there's two letters. So I'm going to tell you, over here. Let's practice, think of a square, okay? So we're going to draw a square. I'm going to draw a square right here on my little whiteboard. And I'm going to, let me just give myself some room. A square. Here's my square, okay? And then I'm going to do a triangle. And I'm going to put the triangle on top of the square, okay? Now, boys and girls, when we did the square and the triangle, we made something. If you figured it out, it's a house. It looks like a house, right? So I'm going to tell you, if the triangle itself, it's just a triangle, right? Then the square itself is just a square. Just like CH, the C, also known as a K, because sometimes the C has a K sound in it, it's just its C itself. And the H, it's just itself. But when we put these two together, the C and the H, it makes one sound into the ch. So that's why we're learning the ch. Because these two letters make one sound, which is the ch sound. Okay? So we're going to practice writing the ch sound, which I have in the back over here. So you can see, I'm going to move a little bit out of the way. So we have the C and the H. When we have to practice writing. So we're going to do the C. Vamos a comenzar, I'll speak in Spanish. Hacer la C en el sonido ch, okay? Then you always do that. So you're going to practice writing the ch sound. And then later on, we're going to be working on words beginning and ending with the ch sound. You're going to have a word in your activity that's going to have the ch sound, but either the beginning or the end. So I'm going to tell you which one it is. It's ch. If you did the warm-up that we did in class, ch, much. So the ch sound is at the end. So you're going to be practicing writing ch and writing the word much in your activity. So we're working on the word ch, beginning, and then we're working on words beginning and ending, and the word ch, okay? So I'm going to show you the activity that you have to do. It's only one page. Then we'll do 1.2. So it's this. You're just going to write the ch sound. You're going to trace. Then you're going to write it. You stay in the lines the same way I did it on the board. You see how I did the H under? I didn't make my H big. So keep practice. Stay in the lines. Trace. And then you always start at the dots. You see the dots? So obviously the C is the little, where you start with the little dot, and the H is going to be on the top. So remember, the H is a lowercase. These are both lowercase, so not capital letters, lowercase, okay? And the word is much. The ch sound is at the end, okay? So that's what you guys have to do. I'm going to send you guys some warm-ups so you guys can do at home with the ch sound with beginning, okay? We're just doing beginning, then we'll do ending, okay? Thank you. Work on your activity. Have a nice day.